How to fix iPhone stuck on white screen. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 methods that you can use. The very first step is force closing your iPhone. That can be done by tapping on the volume button upwards once, downward once, and keep on pressing on the power button until it gets turned off. After some time, turn on your phone and it might work for you. If it doesn't work, the next method is repairing your iOS with reboot. To do that, what you need to do is you wanna install reboot in any of your PCs, then plug your phone in, and in your reboot app, you wanna tap on start, which may be in green color, and choose standard repair. After that, follow the steps that is given on the app, and that might help you to recover your phone. Last method is restore iPhone using iTunes. Connect your phone with your PC or your Mac and launch iTunes. Then put your iPhone in recovery mode. Then iTunes will pop up a message. Then select the restore option. After you get the firmware package, iTunes will then protect to erase your device. Once done, you can go ahead and check it out. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.